Alright guys, update on the truck. Done a lot since my last video. First of all, got the lights smoked out on the back. I don't know if I remember this, but put all the neons on. Took up the side thing right here. Let's see here. Got HIDs, 6000s. Wow. Well, basically hitting harder than last time. Speaker in the front, it's an 8 down there. Let's see here.
Riding round off the ground in a circle, man. Cause the kush got me somewhere in the glass. Going 35 in a 45 with the windows down.
Yeah, the license plate on there. Got our new stereo. Hitting a lot harder than last time. A lot harder.
I just got a 20 out. I got 4 legs. Bread. I'm in the right hand lane. Make a live. Cause I'm so through. I'm slow. Stuck in the mood. Go. I hit cruise control.
Got it. Hitting a lot harder. This mix right here, Lucky Luciano. Drink Sipper. This is actually chopped, slowed by me or whatever. This is my little edit of it. Took the original version and just edited it a little bit. That one too, don't by me. Well, yeah, we've got the lights smoked out. They look darker at night whenever I don't have moon. You can see right there. Right here. It's like black. It's pretty loud. Let's see here. Still looking for a new box. I need a smaller box because I'm getting tired of this big one. I can't never ride around with somebody. Might get the back part here. I got the mat that I'm gonna put my box on whenever I get the cover. Put it on here and probably bolt it down. That way it doesn't move. Pretty strong right there. Yeah, that's about it. Well guys, I'll keep you guys updated and see you later.